What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with my body butter video. Check me out. Let me know what y'all think.
My body butter. Alright, so I'm going to be using raw mango butter and wild cocoa butter, the wafers. So I already have my mango butter and my cocoa butter weighed out. This is 1/3 cup, and this is a 1/2 cup of wafers.
I'm going to just add the cocoa butter and mango butter in.
So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of the almond oil, and I'm going to do, so I'm just going to throw that in there in the mix too. Everything in the mix. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of my grapeseed extract oil.
So this is what my body butter looks like while it's melting down. Okay, and this is what it looks like as it finishes. And my bowl is not hot at the sides or anything. I'm touching it with my hand. Or it's still in there, as you can see. So like I said, we're going to transfer it into this bowl. Alright, so this is what my body butter looks like when I take it out of the fridge after the 20 minutes. It's the first one. So now I'm just going to whip it a little with my hand mixer. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to have it on super high. It's going to be on low.
Alright, and this is the consistency that I'm at, excuse me, right now. I'm going to add in my essential oils of peppermint, maybe about 15 drops of peppermint. It might have been more. And my vanilla. I'm going to do maybe 30 drops of this.
Now I got some nice pink body butter. Don't forget I got another one inside of the fridge too. So I'm just going to get this one ready right now to go inside of my mason jar. If you want more of the whip look, you can, which I'll show with the next one. If you want more of a whip look while you put it inside, I'll show you how to do that as well. I had a lot of fun making this body butter. If you have any questions, please ask me, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. See y'all later.